If you want to open split screen on a Motorola Edge 70, here's what you can do. So first of all, we can, for example, open any app that we wish to open in this split screen and go to background apps. And over here, you should be able to tap on the logo of the app, and you should be able to find the split screen option. If you don't see it, you might need to open the second app. And there we go, now we do have split screen. So first we actually need to choose two apps. We need to open two apps so that we can have it in the background, and we can just choose both of them over here. We can of course move up and down a little bit in order to resize them. We can move all the way up or all the way down in order to return to the full screen. Besides that, if we go to settings, and in here we're gonna go to gestures, then let's go to the swipe to split. We can activate this gesture that allows you to swipe back and forth to activate the split screen. So let's see if it's actually gonna work. I usually have trouble with this. Oh, there we go, it actually worked. And of course, once again, we can choose the second app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.